Jamaica is now equipped to test for the monkeypox virus. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaica is now available to conduct testing for the monkeypox virus, says the Ministry of Health and Wellness. This follows a regional training in the laboratory detection and diagnosis of the viral condition, which was arranged by the National Public Health Laboratory in collaboration with the Pan-Caribbean Health Organization. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline McKenzie said that the workshop was part of the public health system preparedness and response activities in case of a breakout. Jamaica's National Public Health Lab and National Influenza Centers are now equipped to carry out testing for monkeypox virus. This hands-on training equips our public health team to ensure that the timely detection of any suspicious cases, said Basosa McKenzie, as carried in a release from the ministry. The workshop on the lab detection and diagnosis of monkeypox virus was held recently and involved 10 participants from 4 Caribbean countries, including Jamaica, Bahamas, Guyana, and Suriname. The monkeypox virus, if found in Jamaica, would be considered an exotic or unusual communicable disease and should therefore be reported as a Class 1 disease. Healthcare workers, public and private, must report cases immediately on suspicion to the respective public health department in their parish and the National Surveillance Unit. Monkeypox is a viral disease that is spread primarily through animals. While person-to-person spread is uncommon, it may occur through direct contact with an infected individual. Infection typically resulted in symptoms including fever, back pain, muscle pain, and skin rashes. There are no confirmed cases of the monkeypox virus currently in Jamaica. Meanwhile, in the UK, reports of 104 more cases of the monkeypox virus have been reported. British health officials detected another 104 cases of the monkeypox virus in England in what has become the biggest breakout beyond Africa of a normally rare disease. The UK's Health Security Agency said on Monday that there are now 470 cases of the monkeypox virus across the country, with the vast majority in gay or bisexual men. Scientists warn that anyone regardless of sexual orientation is susceptible to catching the monkeypox virus if they come in close contact or physical contact with an infected person or their clothing or bed sheet. Meanwhile, countries in Africa have reported more than 1,500 suspected cases, including 72 deaths from 8 countries. Monkeypox is considered an epidemic in Central and West Africa. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have a comprehensive report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.